All right, fifth grade. This week, you guys have been learning all about expressions and order of operations. So I'm going to go over this what's the error problem and kind of explain what the problem is asking you to do. So I'm going to read this problem and I want you to see where the friend went wrong. It says, Dear math students, I wrote the expression 6 times 6 plus 2. And remember, sometimes that dot can mean multiply, especially if you're typing it on a computer. So I'm going to put a multiply there so I remember that's what that means. So that reads 6 times 6 plus 2. For the area of a rectangle at the right, my friend said, You forgot the parentheses. Can you explain what my friend meant? Your friend, the puzzled penguin. Now, this is going to be a problem because we have to first add 6 plus 2 together to get the full length of this side. And if you do not put the parentheses, then you're not going to, I'll show you how the answers are different. So let's just do how this friend would have gotten the answer. So if they did not put the parentheses be in front of 6 and behind 2, it would be the same as 6 times 6 plus 2. All right, so I'm going to multiply 6 times 6 to get 36 because we always multiply first. Then I'm going to add 2 to that to get 38. Well, that answer is not correct, because before we start multiplying, we need to add 6 and 2 together. So the correct way to write this problem, and I'm going to go ahead and erase really quick. So let me scroll down here. All right. So the correct thing that you need to do is you need to actually do 6 times 6 plus 2. Now, this is a different problem, and we're going to come up with a different answer as a result. So remember, our first answer was 38. So let's see how this answer compares. With order of operations, we always do the operation inside the parentheses first. So what is 6 plus 2? It is 8. Now I can do 6 times 8 to get 48 as my answer. Now, that is the correct answer, and let me explain why. We have to add these two on that side to get the whole length of that side before we multiply the length times the width, which is why the parentheses tell us, well, it's telling us the priority of the problem. We need to add 6 plus 2 first before we do anything. So this was step 1. We added them together. This would be step 2. If you have any questions about order of operations, I will make more videos about them to help you out. But that's just a little bit of an explanation on why the puzzled penguin got the problem incorrect. But now you know the correct answer.